Welcome back! In the last video I told you how to memorize a bunch of items on a list. But what happens if you need to know what the item at position 6 was? In this video I'll show you how to enhance the list memorization technique to remember list positions too. In a nutshell, this is done by building associations for numbers and then combine them with the corresponding list items. For example, if you choose a cherry to represent the number 6 and you have to remember scissors at position 6, you visualize a scissors cutting a cherry in half. Now when someone asks you what item number 6 was, you know that it has something to do with a cherry, and voila, you remember the scissors. But how on earth are you supposed to remember that a cherry stands for the number 6? Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. I will show you how to build the number association list for the first 10 numbers. I recommend you to pause the video now and get a pen and piece of paper to write your associations down, as you will need them later on. As usual, you need to build your own associations for the best result. I will only guide you through the process. So pause the video now and get the pen and paper. I'll wait right here for you. Okay, you should now have a piece of paper in front of you and a pen in your hand. We will now search for an associations for the number 1. I want you to write the number down, not the word, just the number. Now look at the shape of the number. Find an object that looks like the shape of the number 1. What does it look like? Can you associate it with a pole? What about a straw or a pen? You see what I mean? Write the association that fits best for you next to the number. When you found something that you're comfortable with, move on to number 2. Write it down and think about the shape. What comes to your mind? Most people associate number 2 with a swan or a duck. Again, write down what fits best for you. It's your list, not mine. Now on to number 3. You know the drill. Write it down and find something the shape reminds you of. What about handcuffs or a double chin? Here's what I want you to do now. Pause the video and go through the rest of the numbers up to the number 10. When you got everything, resume it and I'll show you some alternatives in case you are unsatisfied with your solutions. But please stop the video now, for your own sake. Pause it now. Did you pause it? No? Then do it! Because here comes the list of possible answers. 3, 2, 1, here it is. For the number 1, we could use pole, straw or a pen. For number 2, swan or duck. Number 3 reminds me of handcuffs or a double chin. Number 4 looks like a sail to me. Number 5 could be a hook or a pregnant woman. Number 6 could be golf club or cherry. Number 7 could be a fishing line or a cliff or a boomerang. Number 8 looks like an hourglass to me. Number 9 could be a tadpole. Number 10 could be a pat and a ball. This list will now enable you to remember an ordered list with up to 10 items. No more hoping that you know the positions of a list tomorrow. You can now rely on yourself. But let's test this new technique, shall we? I've prepared the following list for you. Use your list and start associating each item with the corresponding item on my list. You should already know how to associate things with each other efficiently. If not, go and watch the first video again. To refresh your memory, the steps are aggregate your associations, move them, substitute them, and be absurd. Now, for the last time, pause the video until you memorize the whole list. Then resume and I will test you. Okay, now I'll tell you random numbers and you will answer the corresponding item. Ready? Tell me item number 3. Number 8. Number 6. Item number 10. Number 4. Tell me the first item. 5. Item number 7. item number 2, and item number 9. Great! You now know how to memorize ordered lists? What if I told you that these 2 videos were just an introduction? Now that you know these techniques, you already have a powerful tool in your possession, but there's more out there. I found a solution that will blow you away. But let me tell you first what it's not. It's not an overnight take this pill and get smart solution. It will only help you if you agree to invest some time in yourself. We are not talking about hours, we are talking about minutes, but it will definitely pay back more time than what it takes to improve your learning speed. Also, it's not free. You need to put some bucks down to get it. Think about all the books you already purchased that didn't live up to their promise. This will live up to its promise if you take action. But you know what? I know it will help you because you already took action by watching these videos. Do yourself a favor and take another step in the right direction. If you're curious what I'm talking about, click the button below this video. I hope you'll find this as exciting as I do. See you next time!